Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Focus Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. Here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case, above 1 hour. Most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So all you have to do to check some further details is to either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, in which you can check the screen time in specific days of the week. You can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the specific time you've spent on them. And the second way to check the details is to tap directly on the app, so for example the settings, camera, or any other app which will appear here. So let's simply tap on it, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, so you can check them and the time you've spent on this app during the specific days of the week. You can change it from daily to hourly, and again the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.